Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reset password on Omio. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Omio account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Omio? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type omio.com, and after doing that, it's going to take you right into the official website for Omio. Once you get into the website, follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Omio. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's steps, and that is how to reset password on Omio. Now, for you to reset your password on Omio, it means you need to log out of your Omio account. So let's say this is Amanda at the top right corner of my screen. Go ahead and click on sign out. Now, once you click on sign out, it's going to automatically sign you out of Omio, and you need to sign in again. Now, once you're trying to sign in again or like log in again, you're going to see an option in the sign in window that says forgot password. Now go ahead and click on forgot password. Once you click on forgot password, they're going to take you through step-by-step processes for you to enter a new password. And once that password has been verified, you're definitely going to have your password reset or your password changed. Now, I did not create my Omio account with a Google account, with an email that has a password. I created it directly on Google, so Google created the password for me. So if you click on sign out and you're trying to sign in again and you need to reset your password, go ahead and click on forgot password and follow through with the step-by-step processes needed to change your password, and that's where your password is going to be reset. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.